Deep inside each of us a fire burns. This fire is not just a metaphor, it is the essence of our being, the core of our existence. It's the fire of our potential, the spark that ignites our passions and fuels our ambitions, our dreams, our strength, and our unwavering resolve to overcome obstacles. This fire makes us unique, powerful, and capable of amazing things. It is the driving force behind every achievement, every moment of triumph. Yet, we often forget this fire exists. We let the weight of the world dim its light. We let fear, doubt, and insecurity smother its flames. We allow the challenges of life to overshadow our inner strength. Life is a journey of self-discovery, of uncovering this hidden strength. It is about peeling back the layers of doubt and finding the courage within. It's about realizing that we are capable of more than we can imagine. Our potential is limitless, bound only by the constraints we place on ourselves. Every challenge, every setback is an opportunity to tap into this well of inner power. These moments test our resolve and strengthen our spirit. The first step is believing in yourself, even when it feels impossible. Trust in your abilities and embrace the journey ahead. Trust that you have the strength to face whatever comes your way. Know that within you lies a fire that can never be extinguished. You are stronger than you think, braver than you believe, and more resilient than you know. Embrace the fire within and let it guide you to greatness. Life throws curveballs, unexpected challenges that can catch us off guard. We face setbacks, disappointments, and failures that can feel overwhelming. These challenges can shake us to our core, making us question our abilities and our worth. We might find ourselves doubting our path and our decisions. Doubt creeps in, whispering that we're not good enough, strong enough, or smart enough. It tells us that our dreams are out of reach. It's easy to get lost in these negative thoughts, to let them define us and shape our reality. We might feel trapped in a cycle of self-doubt. We may feel like giving up, like we'll never be able to overcome the obstacles in our path. The weight of our struggles can feel unbearable. But it's in these moments of struggle that our true strength is revealed. We discover resilience we never knew we had. Resilience is not the absence of storms, but the ability to weather them. It's about standing firm in the face of adversity. It's about finding the strength to keep going even when we want to give up. It's about pushing forward despite the odds. It's about remembering that every storm eventually runs out of rain, and when it does, we emerge stronger, wiser, and more resilient than before. Think of a time you overcame a challenge. Remember the feeling of accomplishment, the surge of confidence. You realized you were stronger than you thought. This is the power of resilience. We see examples of this every day. People who have faced incredible adversity and come out stronger on the other side. Athletes who overcome injuries to achieve greatness. Entrepreneurs who build successful businesses from nothing. Their stories remind us that failure is not the opposite of success, it's a stepping stone. Every challenge, every setback is an opportunity for growth. It's a chance to learn, to adapt, and to come back stronger than before. You have the power within you to achieve anything you set your mind to. Every step you take, every decision you make brings you closer to your goals. Remember, the journey is just as important as the destination. Believe in yourself, embrace your challenges, and never give up on your dreams. Each obstacle you face is a stepping stone, a chance to grow stronger and wiser. Your perseverance will be your greatest ally. The world is full of possibilities, and you have the strength to create your own destiny. Look around you, see the endless opportunities that await. With determination and hard work, you can turn your dreams into reality. Don't be afraid to stumble, to fall, to face setbacks. These moments are not failures, but lessons. They teach you resilience, patience, and the importance of getting back up. These are not signs of weakness, but opportunities for growth. Embrace them, learn from them, and let them shape you into a stronger individual. Every challenge you overcome adds to your story of success. Rise from each fall stronger, wiser, and more determined than before. Let your setbacks be the fuel that drives you forward. Each time you rise, you prove to yourself that you are capable of greatness. Embrace the journey with all its twists and turns. Life is not a straight path, but a series of adventures. Each twist and turn brings new experiences, new lessons, and new opportunities. It's in the facing of our fears, the overcoming of our challenges, that we discover our true potential. Every challenge you conquer reveals a new strength within you, a new aspect of your character. So go out there and live a life filled with passion, purpose, and radiant resolve. Embrace every moment, cherish every victory, and learn from every setback. Your journey is unique, and it is yours to shape.